Hello dear students, we are going to see about the exponent part 3. In this one we will see the laws of exponent. Okay, first four laws we will see now. Okay, in the first law it's saying that a power of minus n is equals to 1 by a power of n, 1 by a power of n. Remember here the power is negative, the power is negative. If you want to make the positive, if you want to make the power as positive, then it will goes to 1 by a power of n, it will goes to 1 by a power of n. This will goes to total, it will goes to denominator, then it will become plus. So numerator will be 1. Example, 5 power of minus 3, 5 power of minus 3. How can we write? 1 by 5 power of 3. In your textbook you might be finding this type of question. Write the given negative exponent into the positive exponent. So how you will write? 1 by 5 power of 3. If suppose if it is given 5 power of 3, if you want to write in negative, it will be 1 by 5 power of minus 3. It will be 1 by 5 power of minus 3. 1 by 5 power of minus 3. This is the first one. Okay. Now second one, 1 by a is equals to a power of minus 1. 1 by a is equals to a power of minus 1. Now if it is given 1 by a power of n, 1 by a power of n, what you have to do? You should take it to the numerator, a power of minus 1. It will goes to a power of minus n. It will goes to a power of minus n. Example, 1 by 5 power of 3. How you will write this one? It will be 5 power of minus 3. It will be 5 power of minus 3 because here it is in denominator. If you take to the numerator, it will goes to subtraction. Okay. Now next law. This is most important. Anything to the power of 0 except 0, it will be 1. Anything to the power of 0 except 0, it will be 1. Example, 2 power of 0, the answer will be 1. 2 power of 0, answer will be 1. But 0 to the power of 0, the answer will not be 1. The answer will not be 1. Except this, anything to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 except 0, it will be 1. How it will be? Example, if you take 3 by 3, 3 by 3, how much it will be? Cancel, it will be 1. Now example, 3 power of 1, it will be 3, 3 power of 1, it will be 3. If nothing remains, it will be power. So how can we write 3 power of 1 into this 3 takes to the numerator? 3 power of minus 1. Why minus? Because here it is in denominator. Then it will be. Now, if bases are same, one condition is there. Bases are same. Bases are same. Then add powers. If bases are same, then we should add the powers. Bases are same, power should be added. So 3 power of 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. It will be 3 power of 0. 3 power of 0. Anything to the power of 0, how much it will be? 1. Anything to the power of 0, it will be 1. But 0 by 0. 0 by 0. Here in the denominator it is 0. If anything is there, if you find the denominator as 0, then this number is not exist. This number is not exist. That's why 0 to the power of 0, it will not be 1. It will not be 1. This will be undefined number. This number is not defined till now. Understood? Understood everyone? Why 0 to the power of 0, it will not become 1? Because 0 by 0, it will be undefined number. Because here the denominator is 0. If the denominator is getting 0, that number is undefined. That number has not been defined till now. Okay? Now, like that, if we take for a power of 0, it will be 1. How it will be? A by a. Nothing remains, it will be 1. Then it can be written as a power of 1 into a power of minus 1. Then a 1 by 1. Then a to the power of 0, how much it will be? 1. Anything to the power of 0, it will be 1. Now, we will see how the logic anything to the power of 0 will exist. Okay. Now see here. 2 power of 3, how much it will be? 8. That is 2 into 2 into 2. How much it will be? 8. 8 divided by 2. How much it is getting? 4. Is the answer is getting 4 here? That is 2 into 2. How much it will be? 4. 4 divided by 2. How much it will be? 2. Here we will get 2. 2. That is 2. 2 divided by 2. How much it will be? 1. 1. Here it is 1. Now every number is getting divided. 8 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. If you take this 2, 1 by 2. If you take this 2 to the numerator, it will become 2 power of minus 1. It will be 2 power of minus 1. Like that it will be minus 1. Now see here, logic behind anything to the power of 0 except 0. Why it is getting 1? See here, 2 power of 3, it will be 8. Okay. 8 divided by 2, how much it is getting? 4. Here it is getting 4. Like that. 2 power of 2, it will be 4. 4 divided by 2, how much it will be? 2. Here it is getting 2. 2 divided by 2, how much it will be? 1. Here only 1, 2 is there. So we are writing only 1. So it is getting 1. Now here see power 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now here it is getting 1. Here it is 2 power of 0, how much it will be? 1. 2 power of 1, it will be how much? 2. 2 power of 2, it will be 4. 2 power of 3, how much it will be? 8. Now by this logic it will get. Now see here, 2 power of 0, it will be 1. 2 power of minus 1, how much it will be? It can be written as 1 by 2. It can be written as 1 by 2. Like that, 2 power of minus 2. How much it will be? 1 by 2 power of 2. That is 1 by 4. It will be 1 by 4. It will be 1 by 4. 2 power of minus 2. Here it is 2. 4. Here it is minus 2. 1 by 4. Okay. This logic is most important. Once again, let me explain you. 2 power of 3, 8. Multiply 2 3 times. Why? Because here it is power. So divided by 2, it will be 4. Here you are getting 4. 2 how many times? 2 times. It will get 4. 4 divided by 2. How much it is getting? 2. Here you are getting 2. 2 power of 1. That means 2 is taken how many times? 1 time. 2 is equals to 2. 2 by 2. Answer will be 1. Take the 1 here. 2 power of 0. It is 1. How? Because 2 power of 3, 8. 2 power of 2, 4. 2 power of 1, 2. 2 power of 0, it will be 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1. 2 divided by 2, it will be 1. Now what is remains? 1. Now if after getting 1 here, 2 power of 0, how much it is getting? 1. Understood? Hope everyone understood this logic. Please try it once, you will not get easy. Try it once. After getting, please write me in the comment box whether you have understood it properly or not. Okay. One more law, 4 law, a power of 0 into a power of 1 is equals to a power of m plus n. See here, bases are same. If the bases are same, power should be added. If the bases are same, power should be added. Example, 5 power of 3 into 5 power of 5. Here the bases are same. What are the bases here? 5. Then you have to take only one 5 and we should add the powers. 3 plus 5. 5 power of 8. This is the answer. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.